Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your trading strategies with Interactive Brokers. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To upgrade your trading strategies with Interactive Brokers, start by logging into your Interactive. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Management section. Look for the Trading Settings tab. In this tab, you can customize your trading preferences and strategies. Explore the various order types available, such as market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. Select the order type that aligns with your trading strategy. Next, familiarize yourself with the research tools available through Interactive Brokers. Use the Market Data section to access real-time quotes and charts. Analyze market conditions using the Newsfeed feature for relevant updates. Consider integrating the Trader Workstation platform for more advanced trading features. Utilize the Risk Navigator tool to assess and manage potential risks in your portfolio. Review the Portfolio Builder to strategize asset allocations based on your trading goals. Explore Interactive Brokers' educational resources to deepen your knowledge on advanced trading strategies. Engage with the IBKR community for insights and strategies shared by. Take advantage of customizable alerts to stay informed about market changes related to your positions. Finally, practice your updated strategies using the paper trading feature before committing real capital. This ensures confidence in executing your trading plan effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.